Now, you curse about prayer. Now, be said that Aberdeen prayer is so important in Christianity.
Not only in Christianity, every religion.
Every religion, yeah.
Every person who has said, no matter where they pray, most of them are
also
everybody prays.
Obia ni asasi da ombompai. President Trump obompai. Buddhist wobompai. Religion bi o wasasi bi abompai. Ame matina busimfie pen. Wo be ya member bi a wo gunsa ahomachin throughout from the night out throughout the day. And sana why ye mo obeye. That is prayer. Adibiara, you are dealing with a God biano. Whether you busmo and now you are dealing with God, it is prayer. You can't go away from it. Prayer is key of life. Can I say this? Do you want to become great in life? Be prayerful. Do you want to become great in life? Be prayerful. Sanya prayerful, there is nowhere you can go far in this life. Jesus Christ is our model in Christianity. He is our mentor. And all his life, he prayed out to the extent that the disciple asked him, teach us how to pray. When you study the book of Luke chapter 18 verse 1, Bible says Jesus Christ, and he spake a parable unto them, saying, unto this end, man always ought to pray and not to faint. The book of 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse number 17. Paul said that pray without ceasing. Apostle Peter also said in the book of Acts chapter 6 verse number 4. While they were distributing bread to people, the Bible said there was confusion. And Peter said, it is not good for us to share bread and leave the word of God. But verse 4, Peter said that appoint people to come and share the bread. But we, the apostles, we will give ourselves continually to prayer and the study of the word. So you can't go away from prayer. Prayer is key of life. Prayer is key of life. In the book of Matthew chapter 26, verse 41, Bible says the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. Anything about Christianity, or you're easy, but when it comes to prayer, also for you're easy. That is the only place that Jesus Christ on the next mountains, Bible says abro kwano obeno okache suffer one channel, but I will go further and go and pray. Obene suffer nada. One question on you, watch and pray that you don't fall into temptation. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. Matthew chapter 26, verse 41. Why is it that the flesh is weak? It's weak because prayer is the most painful thing to do in Christianity. It is very painful. But when you pray, when you stand on your feet and pray, why must I pray? Why do I need to pray? Abedinti na eseseme bompai ansana Nyankopon answer. Why Adam from Nyankopon aye? One, it keeps the relationship with God intact. Prayer is communication between a man and a God. So if it is a communication, then when I pray, God must answer the prayers with what I was asking for. Also, was teaching about, our prayers can be delayed. Our prayers cannot be answered because of certain things, because God has agenda for your life. God has a way for your life. Mukoti, in the book of Luke chapter 18 verse number 1, Jesus said, Bible says that, and he spoke a parable unto this and saying, man always ought to pray and not to faint. What is the meaning of parable? What can parable? You local director or children. ɔsɛ obu wɔn bɛ nti that means prayer no mpo no ɔyɛ bɛbu and wobu bia wɔ de kyerɛ obi a onim nyansa sɛ wobu bia kyerɛ owi a awo na ɛdɛ kɔhwɛ na ɛte ɛbɛ no wobu no na ɛte ase the reason why nti a wobu dɛm ɛbɛ no all my life ɛbɛ wa ne pɛ na mete ɔne na mete ase ɔno so na menim dɛ wɔn fa hɛ so obubu bia kyerɛ ɔne tɛ nte ase you might think dɛ mpɔko no wanka nyansasɛm ankyɛw ɛbɔgye ne mpɔko no waka nkɔsɛsɛm but asɛm no sɛ ɛte ase a ne mu yɛ du na ɔde mfa so ba wabrabɔ abɛdi nti na Peter ɔsi dɛ they will give their self continually to prayer abɛdi nti na Paul was telling the church of Thessalonians that they should pray always without ceasing abɛdi nti na Jesus Christ was saying in the book of Matthew Luke chapter 18 verse 1 that we always ought to pray and not to faint. What is about prayer? And Luke chapter 18 Bible's obu wombe na make catch out there prayer mpo no oye bebu that means obi bibecho na entiase a kwotwehwe entiase why there mpoku no bube abedi nti na de minya entiase awona me no ba no I dey nya entiase because prayer no hold wabrabo prayer holds our lives. Prayer liberates us from so many things in life. Prayer also takes us out of temptation. Jesus said, pray so that you don't fall into temptation. That means in temptation or what they do. Say, I'm born prayer, you will fall into it. Into prayer protects us from falling into the temptation. Shall they? Maybe you one. Mpako na ọchẹ na mebia no so ọboa amso mboa ọ sị tọntọnche ya no mensa no na yere fa adwen ọyẹ nkọsẹsẹm tu yẹn sẹ anti asa ọyẹ nkọsẹsẹm but ọsọfo sẹ ti dem ebia ya asa you will see that ọyẹ very serious thing waka tọntọnche na ọyẹ nkọfu tu won di no tọn yẹ nipa ko ni din na ọchẹ no so ọyẹ nipa ko ni din abedi na obi boma ohun obi onu mensa wa fa agenda but no ye nkofo ebie na eko na ni afira na eko so ye bubuo ni now no bubuo yi no ontumi nancho ontumi mpo nwie wo fom na mananwie afira no so no onem do ohun ade nti no nti se woko wa bia mananwie afira no ma bubuo ni sini ko ho na bubuo yi na ba ye nyiwa wa kire no kon nti woko toilet bom wa bibia bom nti odu beebi na wopodo wo enjoy kakra nti wokotina bia ba no wonu mensa na eko no tuton na eko so ade no che ya no mensa no na ye fa adwen because ya no mensa wo ye ne ba ye who are you and hwe ne ye ntuma nkyere kom ya nkofie because I say ntuma nkyere amusumu ntuma hu ko na ya fa de bo pray ha me hu ko na ye bo fa no ya fa so ade ya fa akofie nti wo bu bia ne se nti ase a abadwi no ye nkosesem but nti ase no or you're very serious. Your pedants are saying who there. So what can there a bebois a seminar what can no? Shenetiase. Jesus say prayer is a parable. Or ye a bebu na webua chain. Aberdeen tin a day in nan yam one pie. Yeah? Obi crave if you don't call. Takradi hadi alabo. When do po. Obi su kwaya. We could but when two one son. Abba some no see. Obia Kawaba when do one son number Obisa call what and so Abba Abba some see.
Bed and noir, you don't be called to go to person who the same bed and noir will be called so or something. And then they see here. One doctor know the same bed noir. They do be able to so the operation who the same bed noir will be a day. I got to so. Was Yamba. What would that hospital? Bed I would have will be better so. Who does not go here? Another thought. Bed the hospital will be worse. Or be called Dasso.
No, yeah, in my area.
Oh, who could the same bed so what's that with that?
So prayer no or your key and it boosts our lives. Also here prayer also my strength. When you study the book of Proverbs, one of the chapters I say, when thou fail in the days of the adversity, thy strength is small.
What kind of strength? The material say, even prayer boosts your confidence in the Lord.
Yeah. Into no prayer no say if prayer is a strength, on my breath, may you to me breathe. No Proverbs say catch and there. If we fail in the days of your adversity, thy strength is small. There, then you don't need to joke with prayer. No, you don't need to joke with it, because prayer in your own life. There, I was talking to one of your church members, Sheila, and I'm making some statement to be. I'm today now, but the one that's in a while, I am modern home. Let me say there, maybe send there. Why are you so filled with prayer? Also, Papa, me fee. Say me jump about one day, I will die. So all my life, prayer is my life. And when you study the life of Jesus, all his life, prayer is the life of Jesus. Into the Bible say, at the day of was no, Jesus I can see people born penny from position one crown po. Aberdeen born pen midnight. Aberdeen Jesus born pen midnight. Because in the Bible say they do not sleep until they have caused the downfall of somebody. Into Abradano, then the devil is working. Within the day now activities so as start one of the dada. When mumpobo no unumpoba tiase. Jesus catch on the book of Matthew 26 in verse 41 downwards. Not say, so couldn't you watch with me for even at least an hour? On here it's saying in there. And 2 months trying to cry within the day at least 1 hour day. Watch with it. Yeah, but radio do 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock from Monday to Thursdays. At least and 2 months at least 1 hour. Because say 2 months the major na and say agenda Sibia or Bonafone Samoa. I bet you. By the time I was trying to book Jumano, na nyeme bebe ni wesisi. Abedinti na I kada na nim that it obey with a dear fedumum. But actually na ko adwuma no we wedi. Abasam si. Enko wi ade. Enke di bone bibiala nsi. But eko adwuma no we wedi. Akada na ti apopa. But actually no na yere. Abasam no si. Obi kwakada no net owa hontini post na awa nde sole no. But along the way no okada no wan so. Na kofu se ya ini wade ni de yimbira ro. No kind okada. Don't joke with your life. Don't joke with your prayer life. Don't joke with anything. Say you're Christian. Don't forget that you fight against 2 kingdoms. If you are born 70 kingdom, Abanyamini kingdom. Now, if you joke with your prayer life, the devil will kill you anytime. Because if you the kingdom, he will cause you to fall. Matthew chapter 13, verse 25. Bible's 1 man slept. The enemy came and sowed tares among the wheat. Within the day, no, Edia the papa wababom. Ayayema papa wababom. But the devil is planning to cause you to fall. It is time for you to pray. Don't joke with your prayer life. Don't joke with anything when it comes to prayer. Say, but joke with anything now, otherful. Don't try prayer. Only them that will be the end of your business, your health, your life, your marriage, anything that you refuse to pray about. That is it. So pray and let your prayer become your life. I'm sure. A good person. As I'm saying there, a prayerful Christian is a powerful Christian. A prayerless Christian is a powerless Christian. Nti sɛ yɛ prayer yɛ powerful a, be prayerful. A prayer yɛ powerless a, be prayerless. Don't joke with it, and you will see the results. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more full gospel TV, for more powerful and revelation of the word of God. God bless you.